It's very popular to have a ride in a canal to explore cities like Copenhagen. But did you know that you can get a kayak for free? And it's not only in Copenhagen.
And then turn it around. You can use the kayak for 1 hour and 45 minutes. No money involved, it's all for free. We only ask people to pick up trash while kayaking and also to share the experience on social media.
You can see quite a lot of kayaks behind me, and today is a bit different day. It's the start of the season cleanup with GreenKayak. So right now we're preparing kayaks and we're waiting for more people, and then we all go into the canal. And today together with me, my lovely wife Mara.
We're used to here in Copenhagen that the water is clean and you can swim, but there's actually quite a lot of trash in the water. People don't really see that, so we provide this free experience, which is really easy to say yes to.
And it's indeed very easy. They have 16 kayaks located in different spots all across the Copenhagen, and in total almost 80 kayaks in various countries. All you have to do is to book a kayak online, choose the location you want to start, and enjoy the ride. Okay. So the journey started. We just embarked on the kayaks and we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so far. And we're gonna look for some trash. Okay, I'll show you. So it's going quite well. We can see, well, relatively a lot of rubbish at the edges of the canal where there's a lot of algae, but the water is crystal clear. It's very nice visibility of water. But of course, there's a lot of plastic, some glass bottles and everything. We are quite lucky with the weather today because it's super warm. And actually, here's supposed to be today way more people participating in this campaign, but for some reason they're not here, and I don't know why. I mean, it's a free ride, and you can also do something good to collect some rubbish. Guys, kayaks are here and they're available.
And the 70s Spirit.
We already scooped up quite a lot.
Yeah, how did you manage to?
We just found the jackpot.
You have experience. Oh wow, there's so much. It's funny, all the kayaks just pumped in one place. It's a corner of a canal and here's a lot of rubbish. Wow, yes, that's almost half of the bucket. Oh, here's a lot of small plastic pieces.
But when you find a place like this, then it really gets to you. Then, God, there's a lot of trash in the water.
Unused condom. Nice catch.
See who has the most?
Oh, we're all losers then. Most of other kayaks are full. They don't have any place left in their buckets. Ours, I would say 70%. Look, it's not that bad. And now it's like a fun ride, actually. So we're gonna ride just straight and enjoy the views and enjoy the kayak and nice weather, and it's really supposed to be fun. Yeah. Okay, we're back, and yeah, we've got quite a lot of buckets of rubbish here. Honestly, I quite enjoyed it. GreenKayak is NGO. Sometimes they've got donations, but mostly they rely on partnerships with companies. Like in this case is Biotherm, which also gave some presents to participants.
12.
9.3.
13. So the total is 58.4.
Nice.
Yeah.
Great.
Guys, don't worry, all of the rubbish we put inside that bins will actually end up here. And that's waste to energy power plant. And it's a fancy one. They've got a ski slope, bar, climbing, and what's not. It's insane, actually. And that's actually the steam which comes out of the factory. That's insane. People are skiing. This is like, what? They even have a bar here. I think there's nothing better than this.
So going to work on a Sunday like this, it's a bliss. I personally collected 10 kilos today in the kayak I was in, so that's good. The future plans is to become unemployed, and so we don't have more trash in the water.
To help Tobias become unemployed, we really need to reduce production and consumption of plastic and all excess and unneeded packaging. Completely ban single-use plastic, but most importantly, change our priorities. Instead of focusing on making a profit, we should produce only what is really needed, making sure that it can last for a long time and be easy repairable. Every produced item should have a value.
So we managed to collect 6 kilos of waste, and that was mainly Mara's job.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was just like filming and trying to fly the drone and collect something, but you did all the job.
Yes, I did. Work
does it
hard.
feel?
Yeah, work hard, and you know, you go far in life.
So do you think it's like much cleaner now?
Absolutely.
So guys, if you want to have a free ride, go to the GreenKayak website or the application, choose the city which is available and just book the kayak, and yeah, here you go. You can enjoy the city and do something good for the environment.
Absolutely. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, sign up for Patreon, and be brave to act.
Definitely.